Good morning, children. Now, in our next module, today in this module, I'll tell you changing cell contents, insert a new row, new column, deleting rows and columns, and autofill feature. First, changing cell contents. You can change cell contents in MS Excel by three ways. First way is by editing directly. Second, by typing in formula bar. Third, by using F2 key. Yeah, children, see, this is an Excel worksheet. Now how to change a cell by directly editing it. Like in place of maths, I want to write here English. You will see, you will click on the cell, then press backspace key and type English. So our cell content has changed. Now next is to type in the formula bar. Like history civics I selected and it is showing you in the formula bar. Here I am typing our different subjects, like next subject, that is maths. See, it has changed. This is the second type. Now third way is used. Third way to change the cell content by using a F2 key. See, click here, press F2 key. It will be highlighted. See, cursor is blinking over there, and I am going to change the mark. See, 67. And my total will also be changed. So this is the way to change the cell contents. Now next is inserting rows and columns, deleting rows and columns. How to insert a new row and new column in Excel and delete existing rows and columns from Excel. See, I want to insert one more row here. How to insert a row? You click here. If you want to row here, you press a enter key. You click on a row, right click and insert option is there. You will see a new row will be inserted here. Same with the column, click here, right click, insert, new column will be inserted here. This is a way to insert a row and a column. Now I want to delete this column and a row. Right click, delete. This column will be deleted. Same you will perform here, right click and delete. This row will be deleted. This is the way to insert new row and a column and to delete a existing row and a column. Now next feature that MS Excel provides you, autofill feature. Autofill feature of Excel allows you to fill a range of cell with data from a series without typing of data. Like I am entering only days of week and I am entering that is a Monday, and I'll drag it to the rest of the cells. It will automatically fill the rest of the days in MS Excel window. Yeah, children, see, now I am going to enter days of week. See, Monday I have written. Now click here. This is a fill handle, drag it. You will see all the days of the week will come automatically. This is known as a autofill feature. Same, I want to enter months of a year. See, I am writing here January. Now use a fill handle to fill the details. See, these are the months of a year. This is a way to automatically fill the data. This is called a autofill feature. So class, now our chapter has completed. I have finished all the modules of this chapter. Thank you.